Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog, and yes, I have cut my hair. So it's a lot shorter than what I wanted. If you guys, I'm always having issues with my hair. If you guys haven't seen my Instagram stories, I basically went in to get a haircut. I wanted to trim, but unfortunately things just went a little bit too overboard, and now it's a lot shorter than what I wanted, but it's okay. I can kind of rock this anyway. I've learned to love it already. Like the first 2 days I was just like, I really don't like it, and excuse the mess. I'm currently in the process of trying to clean this filming room up. But anyway, my partner and I have a busy day ahead. We have to go outside, we have to go to the post office, we have to collect mail, and I also have to send out the prize, the giveaway prize. Still have not sent it. It's just been really busy and really crazy for me the last few weeks. So yes, I'm really sorry, Angelica. She was the winner. Then we also need to do some grocery shopping. Actually, before that, we need to go to Target in the city because we are currently playing Lego Dimensions again. We have bought the expansions and stuff, so we ordered stuff from Target, like click and collect. I was supposed to collect it yesterday, but things just didn't work out, so we're just going to do that today. And obviously we need to do groceries, and I'm going to take you guys along with me. And and yes, I need to buy stuff for my hair, like just bleach, and just this is the color that you guys have been really liking. This is my natural hair color. So I'm going to show you guys how to get from this to this, because a lot of you guys have been requesting it. We're in Big W now, and look at these, the pom-pom pens, they're quite cute. Alright, so we're still here in Big W, and we're trying to find more Lego Dimensions. Unfortunately, they only have the ones that we already have, and these are the ones that people tend not to want, unfortunately. So we're going to go probably check out Target once we've picked up the stuff we ordered. How cute! So these are handmade terrataniums, I think. They're from this place called Jolly Creations. So my partner's just grabbed one of those for his niece. So it's still quite early. I think it's like just before 11, so the city's still not that packed, to be completely honest. So we're actually doing pretty good for time.
Already, I'm assuming all into one bag would be most convenient?
Yes, please. So we have returned. I didn't vlog at the supermarket because I had my hands full pretty much. So we stopped by Chemist Warehouse, and I got a couple of things for my hair. Normally I go to Priceline to get my hair products, but unfortunately there wasn't a Priceline on the way. So, if I can't go to Priceline, I go to Chemist Warehouse for hair products. Morning everyone, it is now Monday, and I'm just running the tap so that the water is going to be warm. I just need to wash one of the baking pans because we're going to have scones. Do you guys say scones? Scones. I personally say scones for breakfast. One of my patients at the clinic brought in a couple of scones the other week, and I put them in the freezer. So we've just been defrosting, and now I'm just going to pop them in the oven and then just put some butter and have some coffee with it. So today's a Saturday, and I'm going to go to my very first Glam Raider event. So Glam Raider is an online website that sells amazing brands on their website, so definitely check them out. Yeah, I got an invite I think earlier this week, and I thought like, yeah, I'll go. Didn't have plans anyway, but yeah, last night I actually was filming, and I was doing like a chit chat getting ready with me sort of live video, which will be up soon. Anyway, I filmed, and I honestly felt a bit anxious last night about going to the event today. Like, I rarely ever feel anxious about going to events. It does happen every now and then, but I wouldn't say it's like social anxiety, but I just feel very anxious about going out and like just socializing. So I suppose it is like social anxiety, but yeah, I was feeling a little bit uneasy about it, but then I normally I was feeling a little bit uneasy about it, but I normally I'm good with it. Like, even if I do feel a little bit anxious, I will kind of push through it, ignore my anxiety, and then just go, because I know at the end of the day I will enjoy myself once I'm there. It's just the whole process of getting there. I don't know if you guys feel the same way too when you guys go out and hang out with your friends and stuff. speaking of that, I know a couple of my friends are going today as well, so that's making me feel a little bit easier as well. Today I woke up, I don't really feel that bad. I'm about to have breakfast and I need to hop in the shower and tone my hair a bit. Alright guys, so we are now at the Sofitel. Is that how you say it? Sofitel? Sofitel, I think it's Sofitel. I see a familiar face already, so I'm going to head up soon. I think it's on level 35 for the Glam Ranger event. So excited, so let's make our way. Up. Okay, this place is literally so fancy, I have no idea where to go, but it says number 35, so we're gonna go down that way. Girl, this place is fancy. Real fancy. Okay, we have seated. This place is fabulous. I've got Simon, I've got Kat and Haley. They're busy at the moment. Kishnik, they're busy socializing. But this place is beautiful.
It's so nice.
I also like the fact that I've got the natural lighting. I know. Look. Jealous of it. Oh, nice.
Jelly.
Very, very good. So we're now at the toilet and I'm not gonna lie, the view here is amazing. Let me show you. Wow, Sofitel, you guys are lit. And here, by the way, is my outfit of the day. I think I'm the only guy in here. So this is the shirt I'm wearing. This one is from Zara. Let me just drop that in. And pants are from, I think, American Eagle, and then shoes I don't know where. But that's my outfit. Alright guys, so the event is done. I think everyone's starting to pack up and head off soon. I just need to take a couple of photos by the selfie wall and then we will go. By the way, that is the view. It is so pretty. Like, I feel like Sofitel is like where you'd go if you want to spoil yourself, but that's an amazing view. What is up guys? So I am back home. I've got my cat ears because my fringe, lovely, lovely, beautiful, love it, but seriously in my face all the time, no. Anyway, so I got my goodie boxes here. So they gave us paper bags to take home as well because it was literally really hard to take this home. So we've got two boxes. So I'm going to show you guys the small one first. I already had a sneak peek and everything, but we have a face halo. So I think this is just a single one. I love the face halo. When I first got it, I wasn't really impressed by it, like wasn't wowed by it, but then I tried other makeup removing sort of like cloths, and I have to say this one actually works really well. And I also like the fact that when I use it to exfoliate, it actually gets rid of all the dead skin cells, dry skin, and also like blackheads. I have that problem on the nose and it's gone. I've got another one of these. I think this is the I thought it was the same palette. This one is by Makeup Revolution. This is the Reloaded Iconic Fever, all warm tones. It kind of looks similar to the Neutrals one, but I'll have a look. Actually no, some of the brown shades look a bit different, so I'll do a look on that one. That looks really cute. Ooh, Ofra. I haven't tried Ofra Cosmetics at all, so I'm really excited to try this one. This one is a blush bronzer in format, so I guess it depends on your skin tone. You can use that as a bronzer or as a blush. For me, I would say maybe a bronzer. We have got a BH Cosmetics, again another brand I haven't tried out. So again, Glam Raider is one of those websites that has all these products and they're official retailers for these brands, so I'm really, really happy to have gone to an event with them because, you know, it's so good. And again, these are products that you know, have always been spoken about on the internet, but I've never really had the opportunity to try them out for myself. We've got Mina. We all love our Mina. We have got some, I think these are liquid highlighters. Yes, Mega Glow. Oh yes, yes. I still haven't tried them. I have them in like my makeup drawers, but I will definitely try these out. And we've got some, looks like loose glitter, loose glam dust. And this one is from Smolder Cosmetics. I've never heard of that brand, so that's what it looks like. Definitely YouTuber doing that. Yeah, that looks cool. All right, let's move on to the big boy. So we've got the card and this one. Ooh, Ofra Cosmetics Laboratory. So this is a little makeup bag. That's actually really cute and a decent size too. You could probably use that as a clutch, really, if you wanted to. Ooh, yes. So this one is the I Heart Revolution Violet palette. Ooh, this looks pretty. That color selection is really, really pretty. And honestly, it kind of reminds me of, what's that palette from Huda Beauty? Like the Sunset Dawn, I think it's called. Can you see that? Can you see that? It's so pretty. It's got like this marbled effect. Kind of reminds me of Hourglass Cosmetics. Up next we have got Physicians Formula. I have tried Physicians Formula before, but I don't think I've ever tried any of their cheek products. This one is called the Butter Bronzer, and this one is just Sun-Kissed Bronze. So that's what it looks like. So cute. And they also use this in the demonstration. I think they did say that they used pretty much all the products in the demonstration. I'm not entirely sure. We've got a Wet n Wild brush. This one looks like a flat top brush, so you could technically use this for powder, foundation, whatever have you. We have got some Red Carpet Color Body Glow. Not sure what that is. Not sure what that is. I'll have to find out what that is. Ooh, Ofra Singles. So let's see, this one is called Apricot and this one is Winter Rose Glow. Those are cool shades. I'd say this is more of like a transition color for me, and that one might be like a crease color. We've got some lashes. Ooh, I've never seen packaging like this before. Unicorn Cosmetics. Oh, it's one of those UK brands. I think it's a UK brand or a European brand at the very least. Oh, it is UK, it says .co.uk. This one is the Blaze Lashes. These are the Blaze Lashes. I don't know if you guys, if this camera will even focus, but ooh, so pretty. And look at the packaging, so cute. Some Ardell Individual Lashes. Ooh, girl. We've got a brush kit. You guys know me, I love my brush kits. This one's from Real Techniques. This is one of my favorites. You guys know me, I pretty much use all these brushes except for the angle brush. I don't tend to use angle brushes from sets, but overall I think this is a really handy set, so love it. Oh, this is big. This one's the Makeup Fixer Light Mist. Holds blush, eyeshadow, foundations and concealers. So is this like a makeup spray? I think this is a setting spray. I see one of my little favorites. This one is from Fanola No Yellow Shampoo. You guys know I have like the big tubs and stuff, bottles. But yeah, love this stuff. We have got some Wet n Wild mascara, like the duo ones. Ooh, we've got another single. Ooh, we've got another single. This one is from Ofra again. This one is Purple Haze. We've got a blush and an eyeshadow from Wet n Wild. Ooh, what's this? Eyeshadow primer. Ooh. Have you guys tried this out? Let me know down in the comment box down below, because again, I have heard so many good things about these products, these brands in general, but I don't really know what's good. So let me know. That way I can try them out and see if it works for me or not. I've also got the Wet n Wild Illuminating Palette. That looks really, really pretty. Wonder what this looks like on the cheek once you like swirl it together. This one is in Catwalk Pink. Got a couple of lippies. That one's definitely going to be a summer shade. Couple products from Ofra, Mina. Ooh, this is a lip liner. Please tell me. Oh, it's an eyeliner, but still good. I'm on the hunt for like a really deep brown sort of like lip liner. I'm trying to replace my not Colourpop, Kylie Cosmetics Brown Sugar lip liner, and I've got a couple of lip liners, but they're too light. Like I want a deep brown, like a still warm tone. time, if that makes sense. And yeah, that's pretty much the haul and the vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully you guys don't mind. This is a mishmash vlog yet again, but I haven't really thought about just doing one vlog, so hopefully you guys don't mind this mishmash longer vlog. Definitely let me know if you guys do down in the comment box down below. Don't forget to thumbs up the video if you guys enjoyed, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye.